Our planet, Earth, an awe-inspiring blue and green marble, teeming with life. But what if I told you that Earth isn't just a place where life exists, but is, in fact, a living organism itself? Welcome to Science Unveiled, where we explore the fascinating intersection of science and life. Today, we're diving into one of the most captivating and controversial scientific ideas of the 20th century, the Gaia Theory. What if Earth, with its intricate ecosystems, weather patterns, and interconnected life forms, is actually alive? Stick with me as we explore this groundbreaking concept. The Gaia Theory was proposed by scientist James Lovelock in the 1970s, and it's named after the Greek goddess Gaia, symbolizing the Earth. Lovelock's theory suggests that the Earth functions as a self-regulating system, a complex organism, if you will, where everything from the atmosphere to the oceans to the living beings work together to maintain the conditions for life. But how can an entire planet be alive? It starts with the idea of homeostasis, the ability of a system to maintain stability in the face of changes. Just like our bodies regulate temperature, pH, and other vital parameters, Earth has mechanisms to stabilize its environment. One of the most compelling aspects of the Gaia Theory is how Earth seems to keep itself in balance. Take, for example, the regulation of the Earth's temperature. Despite the sun's increasing brightness over billions of years, Earth has maintained a relatively stable climate, allowing life to thrive. How? Through a complex dance between life forms, the atmosphere, and geological processes. Consider the carbon cycle. Plants absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, oceans act as massive carbon sinks, and volcanic activity releases carbon dioxide back into the air. This intricate balance helps regulate the planet's temperature. Even cloud formation, influenced by oceanic life like phytoplankton, plays a role in reflecting sunlight and cooling the Earth. But here's something fascinating. Did you know that plants also contribute to Earth's thermoregulation? Light-colored plants, like grasses in arid regions, reflect more sunlight, helping to cool the Earth's surface. In contrast, darker-colored plants, such as dense forests, absorb more heat, influencing local climates. This natural color-coded mechanism is yet another example of Earth's self-regulation. The interconnectedness of all life forms on Earth is another crucial aspect of the Gaia Theory. In this view, no species exists in isolation. Every organism, from the smallest microbe to the largest whale, plays a role in maintaining the health of the planet. Bees, for instance, don't just make honey. They pollinate crops, ensuring that plants reproduce. Tigers in forests not only hunt deer, but their presence influences the entire ecosystem, from river courses to vegetation growth. Even fungi, hidden beneath the soil, are vital in breaking down organic material, recycling nutrients, and fostering plant growth. Through countless interactions like these, life doesn't just inhabit Earth. It actively shapes it, making the planet a living, breathing entity. Another remarkable aspect of Earth's self-regulation is the constant salinity of the oceans. Despite rivers continually bringing salt into the oceans, the salinity remains stable at around 35 parts per thousand. This is due to the balance between salt being deposited and removed through processes like the formation of mineral deposits and the cycling of water through the atmosphere. Without this stability, marine life would struggle to survive, disrupting the entire food chain. And let's not forget about the atmosphere. For millions of years, the concentration of oxygen has stayed remarkably consistent at about 21%. This balance is maintained through the respiration of animals and the photosynthesis of plants and algae. If oxygen levels were to rise too high, it would increase the likelihood of fires. Too low, and it would threaten aerobic life. This delicate balance is yet another example of how Earth operates as a self-regulating organism. Now, if Earth is alive, how does it respond to stress? We've seen natural disasters like earthquakes, hurricanes, and volcanic eruptions that seem to be Earth's way of releasing pressure. But what about human-induced stressors like pollution, deforestation, and climate change? Here's where the Gaia theory becomes controversial. Some scientists argue that Earth, as a living system, will eventually find a new equilibrium, possibly without us. Others believe that human activity could push Earth systems beyond their tipping points, leading to catastrophic consequences. The Gaia hypothesis challenges us to see ourselves as part of a much larger system, a system we depend on for survival. If we continue to disrupt this balance, what will the Earth's response be? And more importantly, will it be one we can live with? So, what does this mean for us? If Earth is alive and we are part of its living system, then our actions matter more than ever. The Gaia Theory invites us to rethink our relationship with the planet, to move from exploitation to stewardship. From reducing our carbon footprint to protecting natural habitats, every choice we make can either support Earth's life systems or destabilize them. By seeing Earth as a living organism, we're reminded that its health is intrinsically linked to our own. The Gaia Theory may not have all the answers, but it offers a powerful perspective, one that could inspire us to live more harmoniously with the planet that gives us life. So, what do you think? Is Earth alive? Let's continue this conversation in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Science Unveiled for more deep dives into the mysteries of science and life. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay curious, stay connected, and take care of our living planet.